Hey guys, I'm back with a new recipe, that is South Indian sambar recipe, and this is mouth watering recipe, as you can see that, and you can have it with idli, dosa or any other thing. So yeah, let's get started. So firstly, I am taking here half bowl of pigeon peas, that is arhar dal, and soak it for half an hour to 1 hour. And after this process, I am taking it in a pressure cooker. Now add 1 to 2 cups of water. This is very simple process. As we make dal, you have to make this. A pinch of turmeric powder. And taking salt as per taste. Now cover it and cook it for 4 whistles. Now in the time being, I am preparing masala, that is sambar masala here, because I am not using any sambar masala from outside. So here for sambar masala, I am taking cumin seeds, fenugreek seeds, yellow lentils, that is chana dal, 2 red chili powder, ginger and garlic, and cloves and elaichi, and coriander seed, and some rice, soaked rice, 1 to 2 tablespoons of soaked rice, and after that asafoetida for flavor, and 1 chopped onion. This is all for masala, and just taking it for masala, so I am taking here kadhai, or you can use any pan, any vessel, and take a refined oil, 1 to 2 tablespoons of refined oil into it. And adding all masalas into it, that is spices. It will give a nice flavor, and I can bet you will forget buying masala from the outside when you taste it. So take all the ingredients into it at one time only. Now saute it, and then adding all the ingredients. Do it on medium to low flame, so that every spice will be cooked very well. As I forgot earlier to tell you that you have to take coconut. You can take fresh coconut or dried coconut pieces and add into it, so that it will give you a South Indian taste. Now adding asafoetida into it. At this stage, I am taking onions into it and cooking it till it becomes translucent. Now after that, I am using pinch of turmeric powder into it. Now this is done. Now keep it aside and let it cool down so that we make a fine paste out of it in a mixture grinder. So after that, when it's cooled down, I am taking this into a grinder and taking some water into it so that we can make a fine paste. So yeah, this is done. Now take a kadhai and adding the refined oil. You can go for mustard oil or any other oil you like. Now add mustard seeds into it. When it crackles, add green chili into it. Adding vegetables, chopped vegetables into it. I am here adding bottle gourd, that is lauki, some radish and tomatoes. If you like other vegetables like brinjal or drumstick, you can add that, and some roughly chopped onions too. Saute it well till it becomes translucent. You can cook vegetables in pressure cooker, but the flavor will be lost, so I am using kadhai here. And at this time I am using tomatoes into it, that is also roughly chopped, and cook these vegetables. At this stage I am adding that sambar masala paste which we prepared, and this masala is perfect for sambar, so at least try it once. Now after adding some little water into it, I am just mixing it. Now add some water. And let the vegetables cook well, so that cover it with any plate or any cover. Now after 4 to 5 minutes of cooking, I am adding that dal which we made into it. This is little time taking process, but yes, this is wonderful recipe. You can try it once. Now after adding dal, I am using water here and then cooking it for 5 to 6 minutes on high to low flame so that the paste become thick. Now cover it and cook it for 5 to 6 minutes. Now you can see that. After that I am using jaggery, that is gur, into it so that it will give that sweet and sour taste into it, and that mango powder. You can use tamarind also, but here I am using mango powder. Now it's done. Now this is the perfect sambar. You can have it with idli, dosa or anything you want. Now this is the final texture. Now this is done, and serve it hot with idli, dosa or anything you want. So yeah, it's done. If you like this, please press thumbs up button. Until then, bye bye.